everybody, it's Horses for Two again, and I'm sorry if my hair is a little messy. That's because I just had a sleepover at my parents' house. But I decided to make a soap video because I make soap like once in a while, but it always turns out like really nice. So let's get to it. The beginner, and this is a tutorial for you. First of all, you're gonna need popsicle sticks and food coloring. You're gonna need a block of soap, which my mom's gonna cut and melt. So you're just gonna cut like a couple cubes. And then you also need some mats. So I have some ginger man.
You're not doing that on there.
Yeah, I am.
No.
I have some flowers. I have a lot of Christmassy stuff because I do this for Christmas too. But I also have some more flowers. This is just silicone, so you can like bend it. And then I also have like these little lights for Christmas, which I will do because they are super like, well, I'll do like these ones up top because this is how it would turn out. And I just love these. So, and you also need some scents so it actually smells good. So I have, and you also need a mat because it is pretty messy. So I'm just going to use one because we have an extra one.
No, this goes through. You're not using this on this table.
Yes, I will.
Once and for all, yes. Get up
And a towel. Move into a new location. We just got the table and also the fridge is right here. And you'll need a fridge. You're gonna have an adult cut the soap so you don't cut your fingers and because the soap gets really hot. So also, hold up. You also need to dedicate a measuring cup to soap. And then just carefully do it. I'm gonna go get some food coloring so it looks cool. Bye. Right when it comes out, you're gonna want to get your colors ready before when it's in the microwave. Right when it comes out, you're going to take it out and just put and then start mixing stuff.
Done.
Put it in front of me. So add some scent, like a little bit. And then you're going to stir that in. Can you keep stirring? You also want adult supervision if you're just doing that.
Too much. It's a little bit on there.
I know. Keep stirring, Mom. I can't do purple, so I have to do yellow for now. But I'll go get different food coloring later. Oh, careful. And then you're gonna get your thing ready. And then you're just gonna go. Can you move that stuff?
Yes?
Yes. I'm gonna do the top row of flowers. Here. And then don't fill it to the top.
Basically what I'm doing is
fill
just
the ones
pouring
that
it in
aren't
the
filled.
silicone molds I showed you earlier, and that's really all you do. You just pour it in, and then you can multi-layer it, which I'll show you in a minute. Bye!
And then I'm just gonna fill one over here because I have extra. And then I'm gonna just do one that has colors that here. And then my mom is gonna melt another one. I totally forgot. You need a cookie sheet so you put it in without it spilling. BTW. Or just be really careful. Let it dry a little bit here, and then put it in the fridge. That's what I'm gonna do for now, because we didn't put a cookie sheet under here. Because I haven't done this in a while, and I forgot. And then I'm also gonna put like a tiny bit of like.
Is that a good amount?
Yeah. And I'll just put a little bit of this food coloring on top, like a tiny bit.
I'm just putting I'm just dripping like food coloring on that. That's what I was doing with the yellow.
Like, you know? My mom is also cutting it, so now I need to get the other stuff. Oh my god, that is super soupy. And I'm gonna go get the neon colors because that actually has pink and blue in it. Okay, so I have neon colors.
I didn't separate them by neon or whatever.
I don't care. This one actually has a blue that works. And then I'm going And then this one works too, so I'm just gonna get a rose thing, I think. Oh, I'm gonna get vanilla. Vanilla is really yummy. Yummy. Smells really good. Get it, get it, get it. Or not. Get it. No. And then just open your food coloring before you do it. And then also open your scent so that when, because it hardens quick. I'm just warning. That is in my way. I'm just warning you. So for this one, I'm gonna do vanilla scent and purple. The other one was lilac and yellow because the blue and the red weren't working, and the other red was like this, so it was like empty almost. It's actually pink. And then the blue, it's full, but it's like clogged, so it won't come out. So I was mad at that time. So I just have to redo my life and do purple. I think I'm gonna do like 1 drop each because it's really pretty.
Stir it really quick. Because there's a piece in there, but
Oh my god, can you move?
Yeah, I think it's good. Okay.
And then you're gonna have someone be here with you so they can mix while you're putting the stuff in. Don't stop mixing.
Too much.
No, it's not. It's huge.
It's not huge.
You could stop mixing. You could stop mixing. You could stop mixing. And then you're just gonna mix, mix, mix. And then the purple always turns black. But when it's poured, it's like good. And a little more red. Because when you like lift it up here, you should like see purple. Here. And then you're just gonna pour it in. And then with this one, I'm gonna top it with a red. Because purple looks really good with red. Or clear, I don't know yet.
You have to wait till that dries though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
Just to assure you, I am not putting that on the yellow that we just made that was yellow and
It's
lilac.
mixing in.
I am putting it in a new mold
that.
because in my other one and my other
I
channel
also still have
that
this. So I'm just gonna
I did a
flip it
soap
on.
video,
Because the purple is
people were like, ew, why did you put it on top of the
pretty.
yellow? And I didn't. Okay, bye.
And a scented red. I mean,
I think you have to put it in the fridge for a while.
yeah, and you also have to put it in like the fridge for like 10 minutes when you're done making these. That's the down part. But you can actually spend some good time with your mom or dad. So now you're just gonna wash out the color. That's what you do whenever you make a different color. You're gonna wash out the color, put more soap in to fill. Yeah.
now because you're not gonna have room.
I have to just wait until these layers freeze, like dry up, and then you put them in the freezer after you're done like layering it and stuff. So I'll come back to you when that is done. So we got it in the fridge. It is nice in there. I was going to show you what it looked like, but I'll just show you when it's all done. Because it took us too long to put in there. So now I'm just going to do this flower tray. It has a lot more stuff in it. I was deciding on that one or these little ginger men. I think I'll do the ginger man instead, actually.
We like the soap dryer in here.
And then my mom's just doing the water. I actually use this. Okay, soap is really good for making like Christmas projects, especially this one. Like I made like bath soaps. I mean bath bombs, bath salts, and soap. My aunt hasn't even opened it. She doesn't care. But hopefully she sees this and she'll open it. So, aunt, if you're watching it, open it. Okay, and I'm just gonna fast forward to the part that I'm actually doing it.
Leave a comment and like if you want to see how to make the slime I am making right now. It is called Avalanche Slime. It's called soap. Avalanche soap. And it looks really cool at the end. And on Instagram I have a picture of it. So yeah, bye. So this one I didn't fully mix the coloring in, so it looks like an avalanche, just by the way. If you want to follow, like, what I'm doing. So yeah. I'll make another separate one down here. And yeah. And then I'm just going to be done with this today. And then I'll make another video if this gets to 20 likes, okay? If this gets to 20 likes, I'll make another video on how to do a full-on avalanche. So, stay tuned if this gets to 20 likes. Bye! P.S. This is not edible. And always have adult supervision. My mom is in there, and if I need her, I can call her. So, yeah.